So if you ask me a question, how much weight have I lost thus far after a week or two, I might give you the I don't know emoji because... Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so today it is January 25th. Alright, so the purpose of me making this video is just like to give a follow-up, like an update on a video that blew up on my channel. For me, it blew up. I got over 10K views, and it was about the coffee and lemon trend that was going on TikTok. So I decided to make a video. 2 months later, I got over 10K views. So I did get like a huge amount of responses, comments in the comment section. So I am so happy and thankful for people actually taking the time to view my video and dropping comments down below. So a lot of people did ask me, you know, quite a bit of the same type questions. So here I am making a video to answer the questions and just basically give you an update. Mind you guys that when I did that video, I just wanted to try it out, which is why I said I tried. Because I was kind of skeptical that the fact that drinking coffee and coffee and lemon, that you can lose any type of weight. So for the short amount of time that I did the coffee and lemon, I did drop some weight. I think I dropped like 3 pounds, and I did it less than a week. I can say that because I can't really remember. I just wanted to try it out. And then a lot of people ask me, you know, how many days am I, you know, what day am I on, or why did you stop? I stopped because it was like very nasty, and at the time I was using Castello coffee, and Castello coffee is very strong, and it was so nasty with the lemon. Now, update far as today, yesterday, which was the 24th, I did started back the lemon and coffee. Now, the reason why I'm only doing it is because I know that it was an appetite suppressant, and it does have its benefits, and like I said, it is mainly because of an appetite suppressant. Now, does it really truly melt away the fat? I'm not sure because I didn't stay on it long enough, but for others, I have heard great results. So everybody, women's body is different. So you just want to take that into consideration. You have Folgers coffee, which is the coffee that I normally use anyway, but I decided to try it with the cold brew Stokes coffee. Now that was good. I tried it with the cold brew and added some lemon to it, and it was good. Like, I actually had some this morning, and it was fine. So I feel like I can last a little bit longer on this. Now I'm gonna try to give myself a month, but I'm not gonna make any promises. But I feel like I can be consistent with a coffee that I can drink black. Now, there is someone that did recently ask me, can they add honey? If you want to add honey, I don't know, because this was like my first time actually trying it out. But I did get my inspiration from Keisha Rose, so I do want to put that out there. If you want to check out her video, you can just go to her channel and you will see where she tried the coffee and lemon. She talked a lot about it, and also search in her comment section if she did not answer the question through her video. So far as me, remember, I am on a, for those who do not know, I am on a fat loss, gain muscle. I am not on a strict weight loss where I just eat in a calorie deficit and I'm just trying to lose weight, period, and make sure that scale is going down. Because I am trying to build muscle, the scale is not going to be my friend. Everyone knows that. So just want to put that out there. Now, will I continue? Yes, as long as I am drinking coffee that I know that tastes good without sugar. So that's my tip for you. Make sure you get a coffee that is going to taste good. So a lot of people have mentioned Folgers. You can try that. I tried the cold brew Stokes coffee. Another person said that you have, well, in order for it to work, you need to have the instant Nespresso, whatever coffee, the one I had up there on the thumbnail. I'm not sure how true that is, because like I said, I lost weight with just Castello coffee. So I don't know. If you're losing weight with using the brand that everyone else is using, kudos for you. If you're losing weight with Folgers, kudos for you. whatever coffee you are drinking and you're adding lemon, just make sure that you're just checking the scale to see if you're actually losing weight. If you're not, then you may want to go ahead and just try the brand that everyone else is using. But I told you in my other video, I'm not spending $10 on it. Now, if you know of a store who is selling the coffee and it's on sale, just drop it down below in the comment section. All right, so again, I just wanted to come on here and just give you an update. So if you ask me a question, how much weight have I lost thus far after a week or two, I might give you the I don't know emoji. I'm not getting on the scale. I'm only going to get on the scale once a month, and that's only to check my fat and muscle loss and gain. That's it. But to track like my actual numbers of the weights, I'm not tracking that. So you just have to stay tuned for next month in mid-February when I give that update, okay? Alright, so that is all for this video. Again, I just want to thank you all for the amount of views that I got on that video, and hope that you do go check that video out if you have not done so. Then that way you can better understand the reason why I'm making an update on this video today. So if you haven't already, please make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you a little bit later, and I might post that shorts today or tomorrow. But also follow me on my Instagram, which is Lovable Tamika, and then my food Instagram, which is Comfort Food Twist, and you will see the foods that I do eat on a regular basis that I post on my Instagram there. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll check you out later. Bye, gorgeous.